Preparation stage. Take out the 10 by 120, 8 by 50, 10 by 120 screws in the accessory bag, and then connect the cap and gasket with the screws as shown in the video. Please note that the screws are not attached to the cap because the video is a trial installation, but be sure to assemble each screw when you receive it. Step 1. Install the 4 columns. Take out the 10 by 120 screws, and install them according to the numbers on the columns and the numbers on the base. After installing the 4 columns, proceed to the next step of installation. Step 2. Install the stair board. Take out the 8 by 50 screws, and sort the boards in the order of the bottom length and top length. First install the bottom 4 boards of the same length, and the number of each board corresponds to the number of the column. Then install the remaining boards from the bottom up. Step 3. Use screw 8 by 50 to fix the side panel of the slide. Step 4. Use screw 8 by 50 to fix the 7-shape part of the slide. Step 5. Use screw 10 by 100 to fix the slide and steps. All is finished. If you want to fix the slide with ground, you can use expansion screws and metal sheets for fixing. Looking forward to your consultation.